Hola a todos, espero que estén bien. En este video vamos a hablar sobre muchas cosas importantes para el fin del año. So I wanted to start off by discussing the extra credit opportunities just so that you are aware of what is available to you. Please note that all of these opportunities are only available until the end of the semester, which is May 1st. So your reflection, which replaces your partner dialogue, can be found here under assignments. This can be written in Spanish or English. It is here in this section. If I view as a student, this is what you should see when you go to assignments. Reflection, partner dialogue replacement, and if I click on it, it gives you here the instructions, 500-word reflection about your experiences with Spanish, and here is your example. Okay, this will replace your lowest partner dialogue grade with full credit if you meet all the above components, right? So make sure that it is Word doc, PDF, Times New Roman, size 12 font, double space, right? A header that has your name, date, professor's last name, the class, the page number, right? All those things. And if you look at the example here, it gives you exactly what I'm looking for, right? Okay, so we'll open it up. Okay, your name here, Spanish 202, my name, the date, title. This is what your essay should be. Your last name will be here, as well as your the page number. You should have this exact same format as well for the final version of composition 2. This is the same, this is how it should be formatted, right? Times New Roman, size 12 font, double spaced, indenting the beginning of each paragraph, appropriate punctuation. However, for that, it should be in Spanish, not in English, okay? So this is the same format that you should use as well for the composition when you turn it in. Okay, so let's go back. You'll be turning in the composition final draft 2 here while I'm looking at the assignments. If you click on it, I've also included the instructions that has the topic, and this has been put in red. Please highlight all of the changes you have made based on the feedback you received from me. 10 points will be deducted from your final grade if you do not do this. So if you received 100% on your rough draft, when you turn in your final draft, here in the comments section, please write something like received 100% on rough draft. So I know that you may not have any changes in yellow, and that will keep me from having to go look up what you got on your rough draft. Okay, so please keep that in mind. This is only for the people who got 100% on their rough draft. Okay, you may not have changes to make to your final copy. So this will help me see who needs to be completing the changes in yellow. Okay, this saves me a little bit of time. Go back to assignments. We also have here the Instructor Feedback Journal, which is also due by May 1st. I should note as well that the final draft of the composition is due this Sunday, April 28th by midnight in Arizona time. So if you look here at the Instructor Feedback Journal, this is part of the one-on-ones that we did, right, that we had this past weekend. This here gives you the information of what you should be doing in the journal, and you have the blank template here. So please turn that in by May 1st. And if you do have any questions about that, let me know. So we'll go back to our course home. The second extra credit opportunity that you have is the evaluation for the course. So you should have received something via email asking you to complete the evaluation, not only of the course, but of my instruction over the semester. So if you complete this, send me an email. When you have completed it, this also has to be done by May 1st because evaluations will close after that. This will help not only the online program in general, because it really helps us to get your guys' feedback, but it also helps me improve my teaching as well. to see what was effective and what could be improved. Okay, I do not know who completes or doesn't complete the evaluations. So this is basically based on the honor system. If you send me an email, I will believe you that you have completed it. So please make sure that you guys are completing that. The VHL activities. So what I want you guys to do is review Units 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for your lowest grades. I know we haven't completed Unit 10 yet because we still have one more set of activities to do. So mostly you'll be reviewing 6, 7, 8, and 9. And what I want you guys to do is if you did not complete any of the activities and that led to you getting a low score, complete those activities so it will increase your score. And basically just do that for one unit, either 6, 7, 8, or 9, not all of the different units. Okay, so just one unit I will let you guys make up until the end of the semester. If you got a low score on something, but you used all your attempts, I'm going to show you guys what to do as well. So you'll go to VHL, and if you go to activities, what I did was I assigned you guys, let me see, all activities, assigned only. What I did was I assigned you the evaluations. But let me see where I can find those at. Let me actually go to calendar, assignment calendar, and May 1st. So by May 1st, there's a vocabulary quiz and a grammar quiz for each lesson. Lessons 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this one, vocab quiz, mini prueba para empezar. Okay, so let's go look that one up. Activities. Okay, I think it's under here, vocabulario. Okay. Cultura. Okay, you should be able to find, if you go here to the calendar, May 1st, the vocabulary quiz and grammar quiz. I will give further instructions on that, but basically if you already used all of your attempts for a certain unit, if you complete these quizzes, these evaluations, assessments, then I will take the average of those and replace it with the lowest score, whatever your lowest score for that unit was. Okay, so I don't know why it's not showing up here under content activities. I'm going to look into that and I'll give you guys further instructions. But that's basically the most important things that I wanted you guys to know. So please make sure that you are turning in all the assignments. Really, the only things that we have left is one more set of VHL activities. There are no more partner dialogues. Everything has been graded except for the second presentation and the newest partner dialogues that just happened last night. So I'm going to be working on getting all the grades up to date. And as well, I am going to put up my calendar so that we can start getting ready for the final exam, which is going to be in about 2 weeks. So the first is when the classes end, and then the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th is when I'm going to open up times for us to do the oral finals with your partner. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I hope you have a great day.